Imagine typing a natural language request into a chat app and watching it instantly manifest as a perfectly booked appointment on your calendar. You can build this exact automated scheduling agent today for zero cost without writing a single line of code. To help us keep these technical guides free, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Deploying these assistants used to require a team of software engineers, but modern node-based tools allow you to build your own assistant in minutes. We need 4 specific components: n8n and Telegram, OpenAI, and Google Calendar. This diagram shows the logic of a node-based workspace. Instead of writing code, you visually wire platforms together to share data directly. Before connecting them, ensure you are logged into all 4 services in your browser. Having these accounts active and ready allows you to link these separate applications into one programmable system. Step 1 is establishing the trigger. This acts as the waking mechanism that tells the workflow it's time to start. In your n8n canvas, search for Telegram and drop the trigger node directly onto the grid. Now, input your Telegram API connection credentials. Incorrect authentication here is the most common reason these builds fail to start. Look for the verification status in the node settings to confirm that Telegram is successfully communicating with n8n. Establishing this connection allows your messaging app to function as a command center for your automation. Step 2 is adding the main AI agent node directly to the output of your Telegram trigger. You must give this agent a specific persona and precise written instructions. Tell it exactly how to extract the date, time, and event title from your chat messages. If you've made it this far and your trigger is connected, hit that like button. It helps more people find these tutorials.
These written instructions provide the operational boundaries the AI needs to process your schedule accurately. Now we supplied the brain. Attach the OpenAI chat model node to your AI agent and select the free credits option to keep this build cost-free. Without a memory, an AI will process your current command but instantly forget any details from your previous messages. To solve this, add a dedicated memory node to the AI agent. This creates a loop where data can be stored and retrieved. This allows the AI to reference context across a multi-message conversation, like remembering the date you mentioned 3 messages ago. Memory provides the historical context required for the agent to handle nuanced follow-up requests. To perform real-world actions, the agent needs tools. These allow the AI to interact with external software. Search for the Google Calendar tool node, add it to your workflow, and authenticate your Google account. Within the tool settings, you must explicitly enable the Create Event permission, so the agent is authorized to write to your calendar. Be sure to check that your local time zone matches the workflow settings, or your appointments will be booked for the wrong time of day. That completes the build phase. If you're following along, subscribe for more zero-code AI tutorials. Equipping the AI with this tool gives it the specific permissions needed to manage your schedule in the real world. Now we test the system. Click the Test Run button inside n8n to put the workflow in listening mode. Open Telegram and send the test message. Create a Zoom call appointment on September 20th at 9 a.m. Check Telegram for the confirmation and your calendar for the new time block. Seeing that event appear on your calendar confirms the system architecture is correctly processing and executing your requests. You now have a live, functional AI agent managing your scheduling at no cost. If you want to use the exact workflow file shown in this video, I have a template ready for you. Comment Build with AI below to receive the link to the template and a free invite to our AI Cyber School. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Mastering these automations is the first step toward recovering hours of administrative time every week.